Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing my review on Vaseline lip balms. Here I have two variants with me, Vaseline Aloe Soothe lip balm and Vaseline Cocoa Butter lip balm. This product costs 45 rupees, which is really affordable. Its weight is 10 grams. This cocoa butter lip balm is mainly made up of cocoa butter and shea butter, and Aloe Soothe is made up of aloe vera. This cocoa butter lip balm is for rich nourishment for smooth lips. It comes in a tube packaging. It is really cute and small. It is a travel friendly product. This lip balm is white in color. It smells chocolatey. It has a very nice fragrance. It applies very easily on lips. This Aloe Soothe lip balm is also white in color. It has a aloe vera kind of fragrance. The texture of this lip balm is smooth. It has thick consistency. It gives a nice shine to your lips after applying. It instantly hydrates and moisturizes your lips. It heals dry and chapped lips. It provides good hydration. This lip balm is good to use in all seasons. Even in winters it is good. But you need to reapply it after some time. It does not provide moisturization for long hours. If you have very dry lips, then you need to reapply it after 1 or 2 hours. Otherwise, it does not heal properly. When compared to the Aloe Soothe lip balm, cocoa butter lip balm has more hydrating power. Overall, these lip balms are good at this price. These are really very affordable. Hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please do like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe.